As you can see, the left hand bank, or the driver's side bank, is lined up to that T mark, as is with the passenger side bank. You can see that right there, little notch, it's all good. Down at the crankshaft, it's on top dead center. So what's meant to be this timing mark here, or this little notch right here, let me zoom in, is actually meant to be lined up with this mark. When it's lined up with that timing mark there, there's actually a little dowel pin down in here. Some light down in there. So there's a little dowel pin right there. That's where the TDC mark is meant to be lined up with when that's in that position. So we're effectively about 2 teeth out on each bank. And that's why it's running like shit.